Hey guys, so today I thought that I would show you what a really messy bedroom looks like and clean with me. It is a beautiful, cloudy Saturday. My kids are over there playing. They went back to school. I've been actually homeschooling for 6 years until this year. And so you would think like, oh, you have so much time now since your kids are going to regular school. But I've actually been slammed the past 3 weeks with not just like registration things and like running to get supplies but I've been finding areas in my house that have been neglected because I've been busy either just homeschooling before and enjoying the kids when we weren't going to school in the summer, and then doing my work outside of the house, like actually cleaning Airbnbs and the stuff that I do. So a lot of neglect, but come along with me and I'm going to show you how we're going to tackle this really messy, really messy room. No, I have not made my bed today, and I've got this terrible Christmas blanket thing going on, and I've had this guy, which is an actual Roman blind, sitting there for months. Yeah, but as you can see, I've got a ton, and I mean a ton of laundry. My husband's desk, that's his side, and this is my side, and yeah, it's pretty bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how I tackle my room, one thing at a time, organizing, wiping down, disinfecting, resetting for tomorrow. And I'm going to be watching a new series while I clean my room. I just fold everything in half so it's nice and neat, and then I'm going to organize all of the paperwork and divide it by what's important and what isn't, and find a home for it. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you've watched all the way to the end, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video if you find it useful and know someone who will enjoy it too. Thanks, guys.